Hey y'all, it is Friday and I am going to be vlogging today, doing a little beauty maintenance vlog for you guys. And this vlog is specifically for all my girlies that's trying to save their coins all 2023. Not 2023, not me saying 2023, it's 2024. I'm a whole year behind, but y'all know what I mean. This is one of my Fridays off. For those of you who know or who has watched some of my recent vlogs, I don't really have a lot of my vlogs up anymore. But this new job that I am currently working, they have me working the 980 schedule, meaning that I get every other Friday off. So I like to take advantage of those Fridays, you know, to run errands, to do doctor's appointments, to even, you know, keep up with my beauty, because for all the mothers out there, it's hard to really do self-care because you're taking care of everybody else. So you gotta really really be intentional and set aside time for yourself to keep yourself up. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. But first, Starbucks. I have my baby boy with me today. He is out of school on Fridays. Y'all, every time you blink, it seems like these kids are out of school. So, hey, oh, what can I say? He's excited. He loves Starbucks. So he's just gonna be rolling with me today. So, yeah. Okay, I'm super duper happy. It's like no line at Starbucks, y'all. Oh, I was lying. It's a line, but it's not as long as it typically is. So let's see, you want the double smoked bacon cheddar and egg sandwich? Then I'm gonna get a drink because I didn't make any coffee this morning because I was just trying to get baby girl ready and get her out the door so that way I can take her to daycare. So yeah. Can I get your double smoked bacon cheddar and egg sandwich? And can I also get a grande sized hazelnut oat milk shaken espresso? Okay. And that'll be all. Alright, that'll be $12.99 at the window. Thank you. Thank you. But yeah, we're gonna get our Starbucks, and then after Starbucks, we're gonna head to the beauty supply. They should be open by the time I get there because it's a particular beauty supply that I like to go to without naming the location. And I was gonna like order everything I needed off of Amazon, but Amazon, they like some of that same stuff you can get from the beauty supply, only cheaper. So that's what I'm doing. $12.99. Thank you. Thank you. Do you need a straw? Oh yes, please. Ready, catch. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay, so we're gonna go this way. Hey y'all, I hope the lighting is good, but we are back from running said errands. It's kind of hard for me to vlog in public, especially in a beauty supply. I'm already self-conscious about vlogging in general, and I'm definitely not trying to draw attention to myself carrying around a big camera. Hi. It would be nice if I had like a pocket one, but that's another investment later on down the road. But anyways, I went to the beauty supply and got some things. I went some other places, but I definitely went to the beauty supply because that was what I needed to do. And let me show y'all what I got. So I got this brush here because I plan on doing a quick weave on myself for the very first time, and that's gonna be a video within itself. Definitely won't be this video, but it'll be a whole separate video. I also got some wig caps as well. I also got some nail glue because we're gonna do our nails. Now I did purchase nail glue from Shein, but for some reason the applicator bottle is just not working. I literally have to pour out the glue onto my nail in order to press my nails on, but then that's messy as hell and I don't like all that dried up glue on my nail. So yeah, Anyways, also got some glue. I made sure to get a big bottle because if I like quick weaves, I can always do it again. Also got this. This is what I've been seeing the girlies use to protect your hair from the glue, because I don't want any glue seeping onto my natural hair. I also got another brush. Me and my daughter, we currently share a brush and it's just not working out, okay? I need my own brush. And I needed one a bit harder. So this is perfect because it's hard enough for me. I got the hair. So this hair is like perm Yassy. And it's a 22 inch, 24 inch, and 26 inch. They literally only had these lengths and it made me mad. And also I wanted like more of an ombre look to my hair because I don't know, I just wanted something different, you know. I wanted something different, but they didn't have the colors I wanted. They had ombre, but their brown was not giving, like it just wasn't giving it at all. This color actually looked the most natural out of all of them. This is a human hair blend. Oh yeah, we're gonna do a quick weave. Of course I'm gonna have leave out. I'm not really a closure type of girl or a frontal type of girl. I have had a closure before when I would get sew-ins, but honestly, traditional sew-ins are the best. Those are just my thing. I'm very much that girl that likes my natural scalp left out. I like leave out. Plus, it's easier for me because I am relaxed. So yeah. Yeah, so that's what I got so far as beauty products. So I have a plan. I'm going to be doing my nails and I'm going to be doing my hair. I'm also going to be doing my lashes. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and fix some lunch really quick, and then after that I will meet y'all when it's time to get our nails done, honey.
All right, it's time to do our nails, y'all. So I'm gonna be using this Kiss brush on nail glue. Right now I am filing my nails, making sure that they are prepped and ready to go. Next, what I'm gonna do is just size my nails up, make sure they fit, and apply the glue, apply that nail, and I like to hold it for typically 40 seconds. Now these press-on nails I got from Shein. Y'all, Shein got the cutest and cheapest press-on nails, so don't sleep on them. I wouldn't recommend the glue though. Their glue sucks. I had to like throw it away, but it was okay because it ain't cost that much either. But this is the finished result for one of my hands. And y'all, I love doing my own nails. I ain't got to worry about spending hours in the freaking nail salon. I can do it myself. And guess what? They turn out just as cute. Right now, I'm lotioning my hands. You know how they do up in a nail salon. Our manicure full set is done. Alright, it's lash time. Using my B&Q lash set, we are going to go ahead and apply this bond and then apply our lash clusters. Now I'm going to be using sizes 9, 10, and 11 because that's literally all we have left. Maybe a 12. But yeah, I'm just applying this in no particular order, just making it look cute. I love me a wispy set. I will say the key to really making these lashes last long and look the best is going in with, first off, clean lashes, making sure your lashes are clean before you apply. Alright, so this is how they turned out, looking cute. So now I'm applying the seal to just lock them in, and yeah, we're gonna go in with the other eye. So we're doing the bond here and they're done. So now we put on the seal, and y'all, these turned out super cute. Hey, short lash baddie. Hey, y'all, check out this quick weave. Now y'all gonna have to tune into my quick weave tutorial video to see how I got this result, but let me know what y'all think. Until next time, love ya, bye.